Hey, what is up guys, it's Erky7, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we are going to be opening up a few CCs and doing a couple other stuff because it's still grace. Alright, so to begin our opening, I'm going to open up 4 September 2019 CCs, so let's see what we get. Got 3 dragon eggs, which is nice, and I got 2 more CCs I'll open later. And another one, nice. Got 48 villagers, so I have a stack now, that's also good, and a couple other keys. And a top ring. Got another dragon egg and 2 bosses and no more spawners, which is really nice. And another CC. Two more bosses and 3 more dragon eggs, that's nice. And for the final reward, an Arctic Plus rank, that's really nice. Alright, so I'm back and we're going to be doing a crate key opening, including 64 spawner crate keys, 25 currency crate keys, and 50 blizzard crate keys. So let's start with the spawner ones. Alright, so let's see what we got. 6 sheep, 11 pigs, 3 endermen, 11 spiders, 5 skeletons, 3 slimes, 1 IG, 4 cave spiders, 3 creepers, 2 zombies, 2 snow golems, 3 cows, 8 chicken, and 2 blaze. So's, alright. So now we're going to go into the currency crate keys. Alright, so now let's open up the stuff that we got. Alright, not bad. Now for the blizzard crate keys. Alright, it looks like we pulled some ranks from it, and a top rank, and a couple other keys. So that seems like it was pretty good. Alright. Twitter page on YouTube, she's a makeup artist. Hollywood apartment, she's a bartender and a part-time model. All her friends are verified, wow, man, that's so cool, wow. Girl, can we hang out?
My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never always on the run, never wanna get caught up. Now you're the one that I'm calling, swore that I never forget. Don't think I'm just talking, I think I might go all in. No exceptions, girl, I need ya. Like I'm out of my mind, cause I can't get enough. Only one that I give my time, cause I got eyes for ya. Might make an exception for ya, cause I've been feeling ya. Think I might be out of my mind, I think that you're the one. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel